Hey everybody, this is Royce here with Gauge 3 Designs, and I am back with another episode. Here I have a library that I designed in Revit 2019, exported and imported into SketchUp Pro 2018. So here again we're left with a blank canvas, besides what I downloaded here in 3D Warehouse, and I'm going to leave that as is, but I will add some material to the bookshelves and everything else. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so I already started a rendering, um, trying to find some lighting, and I settled with this. I like how the light is spreading all across the floor. Even though I have recessed ceiling lights here, I'm still gonna at least put some emitters in here to show that these are on, but I think I'm just gonna let the natural light illuminate the room. So let's go ahead and add some materials. So first I'm gonna start with the floor. And I know I want to do a wood, and I think it's this first one, the herringbone. Yeah, I really like this one. Go ahead and apply that there. All right, now I have these exposed supports. These are actually beams, so we're going to go ahead and add some texture here. And usually, let's do something. So if you look up beam, let's see what a beam looks like. Let's look up beam, specifically I-beam. So you have different images of I-beams. I know a lot of times when we've done I-beams for jobs, I worked for a company where we did a lot of I-beams, and we would treat it and cover it with the composite to give it a better look. Sometimes it'll just be a square composite over it, um, or sometimes we'll just go with the profile of the actual I-beam. But I think I'm going to keep it raw in this design. So here you look in this. This is probably a warehouse. You know, it's kind of got the rusty look. Um, but usually you'll just have your regular stainless steel. That looks like a rendering there. Look here, you got a little bit of rust. So we'll see what we got in Thea Render, and we'll just go with it. So let's see, let's look in metal. So you have a stainless steel brushed metal here, scratched metal, coated. Curious to see what that's going to look like. Alright, so we got those. And for these columns, I'm going to make those concrete columns. So let's go up to the concrete under materials, and let's go with 15. All right, and I want to add some texture to these walls. So we have a brown wood flooring. I definitely don't want to do white, but I want to go a little darker, but not too dark. I don't want to go too much darker than the floors. Let's see here. Yeah. All right. Let's go ahead. So this is going to be an emergency door going into a stall for stairs. I like to do like things like little signs. So I'll just put exit and maybe put an emitter in it. Let's see. Those are usually above the door. Oh, that's not what I want. All right. All right. And so let's see. Yeah, we barely see it. just so we can see it. All right, so now go ahead and let's add some emitter to the recessed light. Oops, should be this one. Fluorescent 65 watts. All right. And I'll add one here also. Okay. Usually these are steel doors, fire rated, 1 hour, 2 hour rating doors. So let's go ahead and add that material. Stainless steel right here. Boom, we have that. Let's go ahead and add glass. Just add this element here. Get yourself a rectangle going on and add transparent glass to it. We'll do the same here. Where's the intersection for this? There we go. All right. Go back to our scene and we will add then glass here. All right. Now, at this time, let's see what we got going. We still have to add materials to the furniture, but let's just see what we have. But also, if you look at the recessed lights and the exit sign here, those emitters are showing. All right, let's go ahead and add texture to the furniture. I think I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do a leather. I don't know if I'm gonna do white or black. We'll test both out and see how it looks. We have that texture. Now let's go ahead and see how this looks in a render. We're getting some nice natural lighting here. I love the reflection off of this herringbone wood. It's pretty awesome. I love the furniture here. The furniture color is really nice. The emitters are lighting up here in the exit and the recessed lighting. So after this rendering is done, I'll go ahead and throw it in Photoshop and I'll give myself a good background within the city 4K image. So hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe. Thanks.